Are you saying that there's a threat for you to get killed by the administration?
But that is a possibility. You see what they're doing right now? That is an example. They are undermining my security. That is just from the PSC. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss ang galing sa PNP. Diba?
Ma'am, with this, do you also intend to double your security also like the PSC? Like what they're doing now to the first family of the president?
Hindi ko na ini-expect yan, ma'am, sa PSC. And hindi ko rin tatanggapin, ma'am, at this point, kung magdadagdag sila ng mga tao dito. Kasi hindi na natin alam kung non-partisan ba yung
Well, not necessarily
idadagdag nila.
Not necessarily coming from PSC.
No, I don't trust anyone right now. So yes, PSC acts on what I said. No, I will not accept it anymore. That is what I did with PNP. Hindi na. Kasi hindi na natin alam eh. Baka gagawin pa yan nilang rason na maglagay ng mga tao dyan na nagtatrabaho para sa kanila.
Okay.